So meron na tayo 1,800 coins and 364,331 na cash. So try na natin mag-withdraw kung talaga. Don't forget to join my road to 10,000 subscribers here in my YouTube channel and of course sa aking Facebook page as well. Marami akong exciting, more upcoming prizes and huwag natin patagalin pa. Pag-usapan na natin ito in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go guys! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maj and for today's video, meron ako sa yung i-share na bagong free legit earning application. Ito ay nasa 4.7 na ratings guys. Means mataas yan for the legit guys na nagpe-pay talaga na free earning application. And magaganda na may reviews niya. Kaya lang, iba yung name niya here sa totoong pangalan niya once na-download niya siya. Si Fruit Game siya 2023 here sa App Store. Pero Fruit Match Earn Coins, yung talagang name niya. So, lalagay ko lang siya sa description box down below yung mismong link guys. So, don't skip. Finish until the end para mas matindihan nyo kung talaga bang okay siya kasi mag-live withdrawal tayo later on. Okay, so now, may two ways of earnings here. Coins and ayan yung cash, color green. So may free 1,300 na coins and then of course may free 200 pesos for the cash. So pero here ayun na get it now. So nakita yung 200 pesos na free pero for the cash you need to sign in for 30 days. So kailangan nyo mag-sign in 30 days before nyo makuha yung 200 pesos. So, mag-focus tayo sa coins muna. And then, before kayo dalawa kasi dito yung sign in guys. So, check in for the cash guys. Check in task. So, may mga tasks na kailangan kayong gawin para makapag-check in kayo. Kung nga sa day 1, kailangan gawin yan. Day 2, may kailangan kayong gawin. So, something like that. So, you need to watch videos. Nakita nyo naman. For the coins naman, is kailangan nyo lang mag-ipon ng coins para makapag-withdraw kayo. So, isa lang ang payment method here is Lazada. So, pwede nyo siyang pandagdag kung may bibiling kayo, magbabayad kayo ng bills sa Lazada, guys. So, Lazada email yung kailangan yung i-input here. Okay? Para i-bind dito. Kaya lang, ang trick dito kasi, as you can see, 1,800 coins for 1 peso. Oh my God, ang paranda. Ilang videos kaya. Although, kailangan talaga manood until 20 videos for the cash para lang makapag-check-in ka daily. Diba? Kung hindi ka fan o hindi ka naglalaro ng mga matching type like this one, sabi nila, they suggest or recommend is gawin nyo lang 20 videos and then check-in ka lang para lang makuha mo yung free 200 pesos after 30 days. And then may sign in din kasi dito for the coins which is later on papakita ko. Pero you will enjoy. If you love playing like this one, matching type, okay lang naman sa inyo mag-match ganyan, diba? I-match ka lang naman siya kung ano yung available. So, ganyan siya. So, may pamisa, may nagka-pop up dyan, may floating, or after mga ilang ma-match mo na 3 same characters or same image, may mga bonuses na pwede ka makakuha either cash or either coins, diba? So, yan yun guys na kailangan mo talaga manood ng video advertisement for the check-in, diba? So, for me, parang sa akin, mas okay pa rin si CamFarm guys. If you're not familiar with CamFarm, you can check that out sa upper right corner of your screen. Kasi kay CamFarm naman, tumataas yung withdrawal, ilang beses na ako nakapag-withdraw pero tumataas yung withdrawal na pwede mo ma-withdraw because of the percentage. Here kasi wala kasi siyang by level kasi kay CamFarm may level siya or sabi natin pinakamalapit dito is si Happy Match. If you're not familiar also with Happy Match, you can check that out sa upper right corner of your screen which is same lang din siya ng game pero doon is may leveling. So kapag mataas yung level mo, mas mataas yung possibility na mataas yung ma-withdraw mo. Something like that. Here kasi is you need to mag-ipon ng coins ng 1,800 para lang maka-withdraw ka ng piso. Diba? So, ganun din naman gagawin mo. Match, although magkaiba sila kasi ito 3 characters eh. Kay Happy Match, 2 lang siya. Pero, halos pares lang sila na ima-match. Pero magkaiba lang sila ng instructions for the game, guys. So, tatry ko siya ilaruin within this day and then siya natin ma-withdraw kung talagang paying kasi mag-focus talaga tayo sa coins kasi after 30 days pa, si cash.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, after just few hours, a few minutes lang naman, 1 hour siguro, ganyan. So, dahil nga ang dami nagka-pop up, diba? So, pag nakita nyo yung gift sa taas, sa upper left corner nyo, so, andun yung sign-in reward. So, ayan, yung sign-in reward. So, kailangan yung mag-sign in. So, within 7 days, mataas yung coin. So, ito yung sinasabi nila na kung ayaw yung maglaro nito, okay lang naman. So, mag-sign ka nila until 7 days para makakuha ka ng diba, pandagdag siya. And then, yun nga kasi, ito nga yung daily task for the check-in for the cash. But kailangan mo kasi maglaro para makanood ka or hintay may mag-float dyan na gift para lang. Here, makapanood ka ng at least 10 videos, diba? Something like that. So, or kasi may ito pass 1 times or may kailangan talaga maglaro for saglit lang naman kasi kailangan 10 tiles, something like that. So, now, dahil pwede na tayo mag-withdraw dahil naka 1,800 na tayo, so, try natin. So, here, kapag gusto 50 pesos, kailangan makaipon ng 91,000 coins. Pero kasi paminsan, it's randomized. Wala pa akong nakuha ng 3,000. Di sana naka 3,000. Diba paminsan kapag may floating dyan, 1 to 3,000. So, yun. Wala pa naman. Mga 100 data pinakamataas ko na ito nakuha. But the rest ko, may 9 pesos or something like that. So, diba? Swerte mo kung 3,000 withdraw ka kagad, diba? So, ayan, hintay mo yung floating. So, ayun, nakapag-withdraw na tayo. So, check natin. So, mabilis naman daw withdraw. Ayan, guys. Mabilis naman pala. Nakuha natin kasi piso lang. Pero I think kapag malaki yan, medyo matagal yan. So, I'll try na makuha yung 200 after 30 days. So, balik ako kayo rito after 30 days. If you want to try it now. Okay lang naman. Pero I recommend si Confirm siya kasi Happy Match. So, until next time, goodbye!